Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along. We have a question under mean deviation. It says find the mean deviation of the numbers 0, -1, -3, 4, 5, and 1. Mean deviation is a measure of dispersion, and it tells us how spread a data set is. Now let's the formula for mean deviation. Mean deviation is given by summation of xi minus x bar over n. This xi is the set of values 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. -3. This is the xi. And the number is how many they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. And the x bar is the mean. So the first thing we find is the mean. We look for the x bar, the mean of those numbers. And the mean is I add all of them, divide them by the total number. So this is 0 plus -1 plus -3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 over how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over the number 6. So this becomes 0 minus 1. This negative will cancel this. This will affect this. -3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 over 6. So this becomes this is -1 plus -1 minus -3. That's -4 plus 4. It goes off. 5 plus 1, 6. That's 6 over 6. So our x bar, our mean, is 1. That's 6 over 6. So the mean of this distribution is 1. Now let's form a table for this, our x minus x bar. Let's form a table for it. X, this is our mean, x minus x bar. X minus x bar. Let's look at the table for it. So the first one is, you can put what your xi here. This is the first data is 0. This one is -1. This one is -3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 1. So let's look at the x, this minus this. That will give us -1. Then we'll look at the absolute value of x minus x bar. Okay, so yeah. So the first one, -1. Let's look at the second one. -1 minus this. That will give us -2. We'll go again. -3 minus this. That will give us -4. Okay. 4 minus 1, that will give us 3. 5 minus 1, that will give us 4. 1 minus 1, that will give us 0. The absolute value is, just remove the negative sign and make it to be positive. So absolute value of -1 is 1. Absolute value of -2 is 2. Absolute value of -4 is 4. Then you have 3, 4, and 0. The summation. So the summation is 1 plus 2, that's 3, plus 4, that's 7, plus 3, that's 10, plus 4, that's 14. So the summation is 14. So the mean deviation, let's put the mean deviation here. Our mean deviation, which is summation of absolute value of xi minus x bar over n, which is equals to, the summation of this is 14. Our n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So 14 divided by 6, you can use 2 here, 3, 2 here, 7. So that's 7 over 3. We can break it down. 7 over 3. How many 3 we use in 7? That's 2. 2 number. Remainder 1 over 3. We can also convert it to decimal. And that's the answer. I hope you have enjoyed the workings of today. If you enjoyed today's class, if you did, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section, and I'll be there to attend to it. Till we meet again. But before we go, if you are here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.